Hello. In this video, we will demonstrate how to prepare and run an AI thermal comfort simulation in the Orbital Stack application. For this tutorial, the user should be familiar with the Orbital Stack application and understand how to navigate the viewer and create a project. Video tutorials for these topics are available on our help site. Once you have created a project, start by clicking Add Scenario. Type in the scenario name and select AI for the job level. In the analysis selection, we will choose to run a primary analysis of pedestrian level wind and choose to include thermal comfort as a complementary analysis. The various metrics available with this kind of simulation will be displayed and can be toggled on or off depending on what results you would like to be included. Should you want more information on these metrics, please visit the thermal comfort section of our knowledge base available on our help site. For this tutorial, we will leave the default options enabled. Click Next. Verify the configuration details are correct and select a payment option. If you are not subscribed or set up as a pay-per-use customer, please reach out to your Orbital Stack representative. Any questions regarding payment options can be directed to us via email at support@orbitalstack.com. Now we can hit Create. This will launch and bring us into the Orbital Stack Viewer. As with all scenario types, we begin by uploading our geometry. Please note the important information at the top of the sidebar. Geometry files need to be in STL format and should have no large holes or fine details. They must also be less than 20 megabytes in size. For additional information and support in preparing geometry files, please click the link here. Upload your geometry files by either dragging and dropping or clicking the bucket and locating them in your computer. Once our files are uploaded, click Next and review the integrity of the geometry using the prompts in the sidebar. We can also run the automated validation here. Once we are ready, hit Next. Now we will choose our simulation parameters. The first tab will include options to set season start and end times for our pedestrian level wind analysis. Here, we will leave these as default. The next tab will allow us to set the details for our SPMV thermal comfort results. We will need to set the time frame for each season and time of day category, or we can choose to copy the parameters from any other tab. At the bottom of the SPMV tab, you will also need to select the clothing profile and activity type. Two Learn More links are available here should you want some more information on how to select appropriate clothing and activity types. For this example, we will use the default selections. We can repeat this process for the solar and wind cooling potential tabs. We'll have to specify the season and time of day parameters for each, or copy them from another tab. For example purposes, we'll leave these also as default. Under the Wind Directions tab, set the wind directions you want to include in the simulation, and the associated upwind terrain type for each direction. More information on how to select appropriate terrain types can be found on our help site, available by clicking the link here. Once we have set all the parameters, we can hit Submit. This screen will confirm the credit requirements to run the simulation. Please review the End User License Agreement and check off the box when ready. Now we can submit the scenario. This will bring us back to the viewer where we can see updates on the simulation progress in the top right. Once post-processing is complete, we can reload the page and view our thermal comfort results through the Add Layer menu. Thanks for watching.